and I'm the one to get it, bro. I swear to God I get it, bro. So don't just let me get it.
Yeah, let's go.
Alright, so what's going on, guys? It's your boy Darius back at it again for another video. Really hope y'all had a great New Year's, and I'm sorry I haven't really been posting. Christmas was around the corner. Christmas, New Year's, working, kids, Christmas,
Christmas, Christmas, Chrysler, it's Christmas.
It was just too much Christmas. So, I ended up, I had so much to do that I just wasn't able to put videos out. So, it's a little short video of the car before and after the deer. So, I'm going to try my hand at some cinematic videos. So, really hope y'all enjoy it. And hopefully this year we can get back on track and watch out for deers and go to the track. But I hope everybody has a blessed and awesome year of 2020. I hope everything works out like you want it to be. That was random. I'm gonna go ahead and start the new video. We'll start the cinematic video. I hope y'all enjoy. Peace. So what's going on, guys? As you can tell, we've now got the car back. It's been a long time since I've been without it. So let's see this new front end. Oh, so we're gonna see this new front end here. Y'all, just look at that beautiful front end right there. I mean, just look at it. Golly, that car looks so good now. Let's close the hood, see y'all can get a better idea. Oh my God, that front end though, Lord Jesus, looks so good.
Yeah, I don't believe in destiny, I just do what's best for me. Don't listen to my enemies, they're just full of jealousy. Yeah, this legacy, you gon' see what's left of me. You gon' see success in me, you ain't seen the rest of me. I just wanna be the best at what I know, better than the rest, just watch me grow. Put me to the test and watch me go. This is my quest, I'ma make it known. They call me obsessive, oh I know. Call me selective with my notes, call me aggressive with my flow.